Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AMA Waterways expert. So today I have the great pleasure of sailing the beautiful Nile River with AMA on the AMA Lilia. This is one of the grand suites here on board. You're gonna find there's an enormous amount of space, especially for a river ship. You're gonna have all your favorite amenities from home, but of course you get to explore one of the great destinations of our world. Now I'm gonna tour the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're right here in the living room space. Now there's plenty of storage here. Let's open this up. You're gonna find that you have hanging storage all the way across. You've got those extra comfy robes and slippers. Here you're gonna find a full-size laptop safe and more storage up and down with the drawers down below. Now, one of the unique features of this room is this incredible amount of space. On river cruises, this is truly exceptional. You've got a nice large sofa. It does fold out if you have an additional passenger staying in the suite. You've got a nice reading chair here, a really nice desk that can double as a vanity. See your hairdryer there, more drawers for storage, USB, US, and European plugs. Your mini fridge is just over here. Once again, it's very inclusive. They'll replenish that as often as you'd like throughout your stay. You've got the bottled water, coffee, and of course, teas of your choice. Directly across, you'll find your flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, and of course, watch television and movies on demand. Coffee table in between, of course, some wonderful fruit upon arrival, and then we'll step into the bathroom. Now, as we head in, you're also gonna see that this is a really large space. You've got a large double vanity here, drawers for storage. You're also gonna have a soaking tub. It's such a benefit to have that on a river cruise, whether you want a nice little soak before you head out and enjoy an incredible day, or of course, if you have kiddos traveling with you, it's a perfect option for them as well. Toilets tucked in the corner. You're gonna find the shower here as well. Now I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually fit just fine in here. You've got the rainfall shower head up above. You've got the adjustable shower wand there as well. And then you've got some nice upgraded loofah and bath amenities. Now as we step back into the room, I'll head around the corner to the bedroom. You can see you've got the bed together in the large configuration right now. Extra comfy, you've got those upgraded mattress, pillows, and linens. And then you'll also find that they can separate it apart into two twins if that's your preference. Just let your HarTravel advisor know and they can note the record. Now underneath the bed, you've got plenty of space to tuck your large bags away. You've got a great seating area here as well where you can sit. Take advantage of that incredible French balcony so you can see the world go by. And for me, cruising on the Nile or cruising on any river, it's truly exceptional because you're part of daily life. You get to see what's going on outside. You get to participate in it. And in addition to having this wonderful French balcony, you also have a step out balcony as well. So you truly get the best of both worlds. Now directly across from the bed, you have another flat panel TV, also interactive so you can watch your favorite movies or television on demand. Now on either side of the bed, you're gonna find US, European, and USB chargers. You've got your clock over to the side as well. And I love that the nightstands open up so you can tuck your large items away. Now another thing that AMA includes is Wi-Fi. You've got a hotspot just up above. You'll find those throughout the entire ship. Once again, included so you can share your journey with all your friends and family at home. So now we're out on your private veranda. You can see two chairs and a table here. That perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the ever-changing views. There's something spectacular about sailing on a river where you really get to dig into the local culture. And here in Egypt, getting to take advantage of the amazing treasures of the ancient world. It's truly unique and you're gonna absolutely love it. Now make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know these spaces inside and out, have an amazing relationship with AMA, and we know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.